Welcome to our channel, where we reveal the master secrets of Confluence trading. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Confluence and uncover powerful techniques that will elevate your trading to new heights. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful Confluence trading. Confluence trading is all about identifying multiple factors aligning in your favor before making a trade. It combines various technical analysis tools, such as support and resistance levels, trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, moving averages, and candlestick patterns, to confirm and strengthen your trading decisions. The core concept of Confluence trading is to seek agreement and confirmation among different indicators and price levels. When multiple factors align, it increases the probability of a successful trade. It's like different pieces of a puzzle coming together to form a clear picture. Let's take a look at a real-life example. Suppose you identify a support level coinciding with a Fibonacci retracement level, and at the same time, a bullish candlestick pattern forms. This confluence of factors suggests a strong buying opportunity, providing a higher level of confidence in your trade. Now, let's talk about risk management. While Confluence trading enhances the probability of success, it's crucial to manage your risk effectively. Always set stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and determine your risk-reward ratio before entering a trade. Protecting your capital is vital for long-term success in Confluence trading. And now, for the bonus secret: psychology. Confluence trading not only requires technical analysis skills but also a disciplined and focused mindset. Emotional control, patience, and sticking to your trading plan are key aspects of mastering Confluence trading. Remember, trading is not just about numbers, it's about understanding market psychology as well. Congratulations! You've learned the master secrets of Confluence trading. By identifying multiple factors aligning in your favor and managing your risk effectively, you can increase your trading success. Don't forget to apply the power of Confluence in your trading strategy and stay disciplined in your approach. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable insights and trading secrets. Until next time, happy trading!